What are you doing?
I thought you were revving your engine.
What?
I thought you were revving your engine. Didn't you want to race?
That's just how the car sounds.
Oh.
My engine sounds like this all the time.
Oh.
We're in a school parking lot. Go home.
What are you up to now?
Meeting up with my family right now. We're just going for bubble tea.
Alright. Guess I'll catch you later.